Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to find someone's phone number on Cash App. So let's get into the video. So firstly, launch Cash App. So open up your Cash App, and once you're logged into your app here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this profile here on your top right, click on your profile icon. So simply click on it, and then when you get to your profile icon, you will see an option called invite friends. Simply click on it, and then click on the allow and continue option here. So click on your Cash App to access your contacts. So once you have allowed this, so here you will see all your, you can invite friends and get some cash back, so which you can see from here. So these are your phone book contacts, so this is fine. So now what you can do is just go back to the screen here, the search screen here. So now what you have to do, you can simply search for the person's name, or you can use the email address as well, whose phone number that you're looking for. So if you're looking for the person's phone number, so just you can simply search by using their name or their email address. So search that, and that will pop up here in the search results. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.